Lese kan dei ka kobor ka babahar na ka menta ki perlok ki badani ki JCB lane ki bangi jukot kum ki kali pu silum banthit ki tiar sina lane ki tiar jong ki kali pu silum lane ki spare parts ha ka bahanin ki singi kata ha ka santrik ukula langkot 8000 Arab Sau ka Orange Robots Earth Mover part kala pli ya ka jaka DTR kali jong ki pu silum halat kor ngi ya kata ki jaka DTR jong ki kali pu silum lane ki kali JCB lalong try do ba syampang lengdo u distributor jangga company Robot Component Private Limited hasilong balak ban kedo ba ude ban nengkong apa ka jala Meghalaya ban long unong di bat penpoi ya kitiar mesin jong ki kali pu silum bat ki spare part jong ki tigi jat kali ya ketika dukan ke balebu ya kitiar jong ki kali pu silum ya ka balebu hasilong kalong ban pensuk ya ki pajba ka jala ki baju penunkam ya ki kali JCB ban lur khando haswa ban sina ya kinu ki jing tei ki bahe ong ba syampang lengdo ubri utrai jong atik Orange Robots la ruban kedo ba kham menswa ki pajba ki babu ya kini ki jat kali ki julet thit tiar na Guwahati bat Kolkata nak benta ban sina pan bha ye ki JCB bat menta lese kala pensuk iki shibun hadin ka jing sedang jong ka Orange Robots ban pli ya kum kini ki dukan hasilong bat kala pensuk bat om dan kamsyu ban le thit ye ki tiar na sabar celah kum ka dak jong ka jing sedang ban pentelun ye ka kam bat ka yo ye ki company Robot Component lapan long ya kejingilang ke Kerpang mat ke Lengkot ha kepalawan ban Sakhi dau managing director ka Robot Component Private Limited UNK Gupta ubade CEO bat kum ke jingpili pajba la khap yo ribbon dau tiu he jong ti company ha ke lapan but pan sada ke jing kerku kerdo de jing duai na ofada pensyai lengdo
ka future kadam ka infrastructure but ki construction ki bun ki jingsna ki bun ki kam infrastructure ki long ki dan ha barok koi kari pat hakni po ka jala jami ro te da ka ba ni la ya parkhat lam ni la ya sim ya karai ba ngin ya let settle hi ba ni let settle hi ba ya tentu yo kami jong ni company Robot Components na ka benta ban ya keren ba ngin la ban sedang no po shalom te khlam la ban slam ni la let ban jono ki factory kini kita yo khat ba ngila ba kedai company ko ba biang ta na ka benta ban wanra ya kini ki spare parts ko na benta kini ki construction equipments te kini company umdai tam bakasna ka benta jongi sini ru hari ka export ru syaki wei pat ki benta jong ka ri jong ka perhe ki export ru ya kini ki tiar kini ki spare parts jong ki excavator mata jong kini ki JCB pat konta ter tinggal apa kedai company ke babiang ha tinggal sim ya karai bangin ya sedang ya kini ka kam hangni ya pot shalom bangin supply ya ki retailer haki benta ka ber jong kini ke jelah apa garu hills nang hasdi sport nampo apa unsning anta pedes de sport juai sport non stone bat konta ter te apa unsning idon ni babu pol kemudian idon sini mene lawan lah ban serana ban ni mei la long ni pulai ban invest lang hakani kam but in supply ya ka retail outlet hang tie pom sning te nantang idon ni ba Victor ru bangin saya perkat na kabenta ka Giantia Hills Residence de bangin play ki outlet ki papero here na kabenta pan pensuk penjam ya ki customers ki badam ni ki machine ki earth movers machine te kini kabenta ka bangi ya perkat bat ni sim kum kasian jang na kabenta ban pensuk ya ki customer ki babun ki badam ni ki machine ma bun sien update Guwahati up penwara na Kolkata ban kesimpor sehni ngin yo du ki tiap itu z ki tiap ki balon kam na kabenta ki machine itu z ngin yo du nang ni ban ngila ban perpoi syaki workshop ru bat suki ru ngin sasdan ya ka workshop kebabian lu ki facilities modern workshop kebabian lu ki tiar kitar mendai kum gitu ki workshop ki ba su long malu malang tu re ki modern workshop ki ba biang ki facilities ngin sesdang nak pentak ki earth equipments machine kamtam ya ki JCB machine ngin sesdang hakani ki jeka te kini ki ga pentak ba mengi ni ya berkat bat ngilala benle mentah dengan sungguh ya ulai ba mentah kesni ngilala ban penurlong ban ngilala ban yo ya kini kala ban pli ban sedang ya kini ka operation jengi na kini ka jaka bat speed common long yang senang penhe dan ya sekiwei bat bentah
infrastructure is being done by the construction machines and all these construction machines are international brands like JCB, Caterpillar, Hyundai, Hitachi, Volvo, Samsung, Dell. So this technology belongs to Western countries mostly. So I mean Machines are here, those companies are here making, all these are movers and excavators and truck loaders. But in our country, there is not many companies who make good quality parts. Most of the parts are low quality parts, and maximum people, they just make boxes and pack low quality parts, made in different part of the country and sometimes in China. So they assemble these parts and present to the dealers and distributors to sell in different part of the country. So by using these low quality parts, the maintenance of the machine is not good. The life cycle of this machine comes down to just 2-3 years. Whereas in Western countries, we export to more than 30 countries, so I know I have visited the whole world, selling these parts. So I know the life of these machines is more than 15-20 years because they use good parts. Because considering this, we started this company some 30 years ago. So Robot is one company which makes all the parts under one roof. We have got 3 plants. One in Himachal Pradesh near Chandigarh. The name of the city is Patik. And 2 plants. One plant in Faridabad and one plant in, it is around 30 kilometers from Faridabad. It's near the manufacturing facilities of JCB.